In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can increase your FPS and fix lag, as well as ping here in Soccer Zero on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to do is actually open up the Roblox menu specifically. So just select the little Roblox icon up in the top left, go over to settings, and then scroll down on here, and you're looking for this display and graphics section. Well, you need to make sure that your graphics mode is set to manual. From here, go ahead and adjust the graphics quality. The lower you make this, the better your FPS is going to be, and in turn the less lag you're going to have as well. It's going to make the game run smoother. However, it might not look as good. Like as you can see, it doesn't look as great right now. That's one way to fix it. What I would also recommend doing is going to the maximum frame rate and making sure that it adjusts the same thing as your device. So for example, my monitor has 240 hertz, meaning that it can support 240 frames, which is why my maximum frame rate is set to 240 FPS. If you're still having any issues, what you're going to want to do is actually back out of the game itself just by hitting the little Roblox icon again, hitting leave, and then rejoining as soon as you leave, and that's going to put you in a better server, which will of course reduce that ping as well. But that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.